street ride to check out a unique specialty in classics. 1954 Chevrolet Sedan delivery custom built street rod, and this one's got a good look to it. As you can see, lowered, what a great stance. Underneath the hood, small block Chevy powered 350, massaged a little with a wind blower on it. That is paired up with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, as well as power steering, power brakes. That great looking grille, chrome. I would call this kind of a candied green metallic, or green metallic. It's got a very nice finish to it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, check out the interior, the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on what looks like a billet specialty aluminum wheel, discs up front, radial tires, and again, those are power brakes. And look up and down the side of this, how straight it is. Shaved door handles, chopped, just a very, very nice look to it. Good customer of ours, friend, had this custom built for him, and is now available to purchase. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Notice the Frenched in taillights. Also want to let you know, as far as this rear door, it does have a popper. You need to reach up in the fender well through here, and that will pop the rear hatch or the rear door. Since we're doing that, let's check it out. Nicely finished back here also. Couple things to know. There is a Frenched in power antenna here. I've not had that up and down. The other thing is, these are storage compartments right here, and the two behind the seats. This one here is where you would put air in the rear shocks, and you can check that out in the still pictures. It's also where the battery's at, FYI. So I want to let you know that for future reference. And again, you can see that in the pictures. See how nicely that closes, everything fits. And again, those still pictures, you can check those out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. There's also a car cover that will go with this that will be in the back of it. A little bag of just goodies there too. Now take a look up and down the driver's side of this. See how straight it is. And again, the paint, nice shape. I mean, you may find a few imperfections here and there. Yes, I mean, the vehicle has been driven. But overall, this one is going to turn heads. Any of your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins. This will be a fun one. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. I'll point out a few other things to it. I'm just going to pop the door. All right. As far as the hood release, right here, and then there is a second release at the hood. That is how you're going to pop the hood. Bucket seats, cloth interior, kind of a light gray, dark gray, two-tone combination. Tilt wheel, wipers do work. Let's go ahead and start this up, seeing here at round 2. Fuel pump. This right here is also a fan, electric fan for the engine. I'm going to leave this little note on there. Up is on, down is off. We're going to leave it on as we let it sit and idle a little bit. Or a retro style stereo, and I do have that powered up, but with that antenna, the reception a little sketchy. All right, take a look at this dash. Painted to match. Gauge cluster left to look original. Again, automatic on the column, and that is a turbo 400 paired up with this 350 small block. All right, let's pop the hood. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. It's got a great sound to it. Fun one to drive, no doubt about that. Good sounding car. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. You need to pop this hood, so take both hands with the latch and check out that engine bay, see how it looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Check this setup out. Not only that, but look at how smooth it runs. All right, look at power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition, wind blower on top of that small block Chev. Polished aluminum parts. Good looking engine bay, impressive. Old school hot rod look. You can see electric fan down there. Like aluminum radiator. Wow. Don't be afraid to open the hood. It shows this engine bay off. 1954 Chevrolet Sedan delivery custom built street rod. If you have questions, phone number 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.